we'll guide you through how to use Trello Inbox to manage your tasks efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll notice the Trello Inbox feature is designed to streamline communication and task management directly from your boards. Start by locating the Inbox icon on the left-hand side of your screen. It should be right below the home icon. Click on it, and you'll be taken to your inbox, where all your notifications and messages are gathered. You can view updates on tasks you've been assigned, comments on cards you're watching, and any changes made to boards you're part of. To make the most of your inbox, you need to customize your notifications. Click on the Settings gear icon, usually found at the top right corner of the inbox page. Here, you can adjust your notification preferences, like choosing to receive alerts for specific boards or when someone mentions you directly. This customization ensures that your inbox only shows what's most relevant to you. If you receive a notification about a task you need to address, simply click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the card or board in question. This seamless integration makes it easy to keep track of your responsibilities without navigating away from your inbox. Additionally, you can use the inbox to send messages or comments directly to team members. Just click the Compose icon, select the recipient, type your message, and send. This feature helps you maintain clear communication within your team. Don't forget to regularly check your inbox to stay updated on all activity related to your tasks and projects. It's a central hub that keeps you informed and organized, preventing any important updates from slipping through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.